Okay, guys. They said I have the finger painter. Let's see. Let's see. Oh my gosh! There it is. There it is. The finger painter. Let's go. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Finally. Let me go to public. Relief. Finally. Finally.
Man,
Finally. Finally, bro. Finally.
Dog, shut up.
Yo, nigga.
You better.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so sad. I'm so sad. Yo! Dang it! I can't even do nothing! See, look. Boom. Let me join back in right quick. No, finally, bro. You finally hit 8K views. If this is to 10K, I might get good because I'm probably at like 9K already. I don't know. I'm just gonna go trolling kids. You guys,
You're stuck.
yo guys.